Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable developer mode in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After open the settings app, just scroll all the way down, then go to about phone. After that scroll down again and go to software information. And here you can find build number option. To enable developer options, just tap on 7 times on build number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then just type your current pin or pattern. Then tap on continue. Then just tap on OK. And that's it. You can see developer mode has been enabled successfully. Now just go back and then scroll down. And here it is. And now you can customize anything as you want. If you want to disable your developer options, just open it and then just tap here and then go back, and that's it. You can see it's disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.